let's talk about hair loss. Hair loss in this COVID-19 infection. There has been an increased incidence of hair loss. A lot of patients complain of increased hair loss post COVID-19 infection or even in people who have not suffered from COVID-19. What is this type of hair loss and why is it happening? This type of hair loss is called as telogen effluent. Telogen effluent is a type of hair loss which happens when your body goes through any kind of stress and when your body is recovering from that stress. COVID-19 does cause a stress on your body. This hair loss is not because of the virus or the viral load, but it is because of the shock your body goes into post-infection or during the infection. This hair loss is temporary, can last for few months or maximum an year. Even people who have not suffered from the COVID-19 infection do experience increased hair loss. Why is it so? Again, it is because of the stress. The stress, your mental stress. This stress because of social isolation, fear of the infection, fear of contracting the infection, fear for our loved ones, financial crisis, and a lot of these reasons. Again, this mental stress also triggers hair loss or telogen effluent. This hair loss is temporary, but it can take 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or even 1 year for this hair loss to reduce. So patience is the key. Do not stress about it. Do not stress about the hair loss because stress is the triggering factor for this hair loss. Most important thing is you are not going to go bald. You are not going to go total bald because of telogen effluent. So what is the remedy or what is the solution for this hair loss? Just wait and watch? No. You can follow few simple things or few simple advices to recover from this hair loss. Most important is don't stress. Stress will increase your problem. Exercise. Exercise daily. Try to do something which you like, in which you have happiness into. It can be like 30 minutes of jogging, 30 minutes of cycling, or going for a walk with your friend, or some kind of physical activity which makes you happy and that you can follow on daily basis. Meditate. Yes, meditation to keep your stress at bay. Daily or at least 3 to 4 times a week. Have a healthy sleeping pattern. Early to bed, early to rise. Have a healthy, colorful rainbow diet. Include all possible colors in your diet and increase your intake of proteins, increase your intake of carbs, have fat, have healthy fat on daily basis. With a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle, you will have to increase your supplement intake. Yes, supplements will help you to recover from this hair loss early. Prep up your supplements of vitamin C, vitamin D, B12 or B complex, iron, zinc, selenium, chromium. Increase your protein intake. Protein, vegetarian source of protein or even non-veg source of proteins like egg and chicken. Most important is avoid heat styling products or any treatment like keratin, straightening, perming on your hair. This will increase your hair loss. So do not stress about this hair loss. This hair loss is temporary and it is going to go away and you are not going to be bald forever. So stay healthy, eat healthy, think wisely and take care of yourself. Thank you.